method. I mean, what it originally was. Could be there's some math that I'm just being stupid about. Hello. No, you still don't work. Because we set it before we use it. Okay, but something like, you know, if this is 0.01 and this is 0.99, it's gonna trigger. This is a very slow gate. It might be too slow. Even if we set it before the check. So I'm not betting that much money on this, but probably. There you go. There you go. That's kind of useful. Hello? Are you indeed working? I notice you don't catch the second group of my talk, and you also lose your value. Hello? Yeah, also you can't hold notes right now because the noise floor rises pretty quickly. So this is about as the biggest object you'll see. Hi. 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 So you have to shut up for a while for the filter to go back down. After it goes back down, you can talk again. I mean, it should be just a couple seconds. But if you like do an onset like 2 seconds after each other, it won't work. See, the second one doesn't get picked up because of the gate. So this isn't so great yet. I mean, we got something that's kind of working. That's good, but so we just have to figure out when to do these tricks. So one thing we can do is when we do have an onset state, then we don't do this stuff. And this will get us pretty far. Yeah. Yeah, this will get us pretty far, but there's still something I'm missing. Anyway, let me try this. Gotta sneeze. I can defeat it. Okay. So now when I talk, I expect stuff to keep coming out. I mean, if I'm talking to the mic, like right now, stuff should be coming out, but it's not. Now when I talk, oh, so it looks like nothing's going to come out again. Let's look at the debug log. So it says on the last offset had the value 0.005. Well, the last onset was Wow, 0.07, that's not that loud. But the offset kept rising. Oh, so now it finally slunk back down. Yeah, the problem with such a slow thing like this is it takes forever to go up and down too. Not only down, but up. So... yeah, I mean, this should fix a lot of problems because it'll raise the rising while we're talking. One thing it won't do is once you go into a noisy environment suddenly, that'll be treated as a long sound. And the way you can get around that is you can add something like this and pinch it off even slower, or just have a time limit for sounds. And that's probably smart anyway. A limit the amount of time an input can go for one note. Okay. My nose is really driving me nuts. It's telling me to go to sleep. Alright, I'm getting kind of haggard, so I can tell my eyes are pretty... get into maniac mode. Well, this gets us somewhere. Yeah, I don't think this is a good idea. Let's try that again. So this is a quick rise and fall. And while we're talking, it's not going to rise. So mostly just fall. Yeah, so now I understand what the 0.5 was for. We'll start it again. I bet this is a lot better. Let's go. Hey there, how's it going? This should be about loud enough for you to pick up. But if I go like this, do you pick up? No, you don't pick up for anybody. Isn't that just like you? Not picking up, even if I tap the mic. So for some reason this 0.5 thing doesn't work at all. Ah, I now realize why. And we said it before. Yeah. Oops, I shouldn't do that. This stuff should only get... okay. I mean, if we do it before this check, then we're automatically setting the min rec dB to be below the average, or to be closer to the average. So this definitely needs to happen afterwards. Yeah, it can just happen in another else if. Like, else if. Yeah. Only when we don't have an input detected. Or being tracked. Yeah, this is good. This is good. I like this. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Then we don't need that. Alright, this is promising. Let's see what we get. This really should be loud enough to be picking up. This should be definitely loud enough. This should be loud enough. Arrgh. And it was not loud enough. I wonder if this stuff is even getting hit now that I put it in. Yeah, it's still getting hit. Average plus what could it be? What could it be? Okay, if I shut up, it should keep falling, right? Average will be a low value. And if this is a high value, higher value, this will eventually hit average. Yeah, this part is sketchy. I wonder if I have to do this. Can't remember how log subtraction works. I think how about I just do this and delete the rest? Wouldn't that be good? No, because that's the noise floor. This is going to drop down to the noise floor over time. Well, if I take that decibel value and subtract So take that decibel value. This will drop down to the noise floor eventually. But I want to support it by adding the problem is this is adding m noise floor dB every time. And that ends up pushing it up no matter what. So this alone is okay, because this minus this is